Swikar Rehabilitation Institute is a voluntary organization recognized for the past 33 years. One proof. It is a cost-effective, quick service delivery model. It is in 1975. I was more seeing the pathetic condition of the young mothers coming with their disabled child, a brain damaged child, running from pillar to post, not finding correct answers that made me move and find a solution for this problem. Then I have sown a small seed in part of my clinic and garage to start a center for mentally challenged. It has grown to a premier institution in the country today with 450 staff members and 750 room facility with 3 campuses spread all over the state of Andhra Pradesh, one in Thandoor, one in Kadapa and Guntur to serve the rural people. Swikar has driven awareness about the mental illness. Swikar is the only institute in the state of Andhra Pradesh which has opened a institute for mental health. Not only rendering services, it has gone into the development of manpower. It is the 5th in the country to start MPhil clinical psychology, 2nd in the country to start MPhil rehabilitation psychology. It has provided about 45 psychologists to the country. These professionals have contributed for the growth of other centers across the country. We are contributing 125 speech and auditory professionals per year. It is a very big contribution to the society. The increasing survival of the newborns has gone into the more number of children with developmental delays. This prompted me to start Child Development Center. That with the aim to detect the disability at the very early stage and diagnose at the early intervention with early rehabilitation, which is very cost effective and the results are much more. We could rehabilitate about 12,000 children in this department with multiple disabilities. About 2,000 children have undergone corrective surgery and they were put in the mainstream. 7,500 children could go to normal schools and vocational jobs, and we could help them to lead a normal life. Swikar received Outstanding Best Employer Award from Government of India. We have trained and employed 56 disabled children with different disabilities in our own organization, and we have been very successful in getting them placement in the open market.
If you change your mind, take a chance on the first in line.
India. These 560 who are employed into the corporate sectors like banks, ITC, Coca-Cola, nursing homes, etc. We have treated 1,500 drug addicts in our drug de-addiction center. We have given shelter to 250 aged persons in our home for the aged. Through our artificial limb center, we have served 65,000 physically challenged persons. We have given aids and appliances, supports, corsets and beds.
मेरे बच्चे को अभी आर्टिस्टिक चाहिए, यहाँ 10 months से आ रहे हैं। बिफोर थेरेपीज ये कैनाट कंसंट्रेशन नहीं है, और आने के बाद बिहेवियर मॉडिफिकेशन एंड सेंसरी इंटीग्रेशन से ज़्यादा लोगों को हेल्प करता है।
Since 5 years old, we diagnosed with autism. These solutions should be more in the city so that like disabled children can have good training and therapies.
Good. 3. Very sweet. Good. 4. 5. 6. 6. Very 6.
they are not able to identify self, they cannot recognize parents, they will have lot of behavior problems. For these children, we provide various therapies over here like behavior modification, special education, train them in self-help skills, and see that these children are self-sufficient. So because of these behavior problems, parents have lot of stigma in them. They don't have social acceptance. They face a lot of problems in the environment they're living. So for these children and parents, this institution is a motivation for them. So where they can accept the child as whatever the child is, and their improvement shows lot of positiveness in the parents for the acceptance of the child.
A ray of smile can be brought on the face of the disabled person. To help sustain Swikar's contribution to the social cause, we sincerely appeal to all generous souls to share the joy of giving, invest in prevention of disability by giving help in right time, and minimize the disability by making the disabled differently abled. They are victims of fate, they should not be victims of our neglect. Your little support makes a big difference to these God's most beloved ones. All contributions are tax exempted. Let you all to be a part of this mission, to be a part of this yajna. Yajna cannot be done by one individual. It is only a group of individuals can do the yajna.